If you are looking for ChatGPT alternative, then this video is for you. I'll show you 5 different free alternatives using which you will be able to do your job but without paying $20 per month to ChatGPT. Let me very quickly show you the first option. If you follow my screen here, currently I'm in Google homepage, and there if I type Mistral.ai, then you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. If you need to log in, you can click on sign in and you will be getting few of the options. Google authentication is one option. Currently I selected one of my existing IDs and I'm inside this particular console. So for your day-to-day and generic type of task, you will be able to use this particular open source tool which can be utilized as a ChatGPT alternative. If you have not used Mistral AI earlier, I recorded one detailed video earlier. I'll add the link in the description below. But this is a very simple tool to use as a ChatGPT alternative, and this is number 1. Now the second tool is Deepseek. Now you may have already heard about Deepseek, but let me just type deepseek.com and there you'll be able to see this type of interface. If you click on this particular option, start now, this is the interface you'll be able to see. Again, you will be able to use your Google credentials to log in, but considering this is a Chinese model, instead of your Google credentials, you can create your new email ID and using which you will be able to log in. One very good benefit of this particular model is you will be able to use their thinking model and their web search model both for free without any charges. This is another open source model which can replace multiple different capabilities which are being offered by OpenAI as part of ChatGPT paid subscriptions, because this thinking model is a paid feature inside ChatGPT, which you will be able to use it for free if you use Deepseek. So if you have any use case where you need to use deep thinking models, then Deepseek is your replacement instead of ChatGPT, and this is our number 2. Now if you need to generate multiple different images on regular basis and you are using ChatGPT paid version for that, because its free version doesn't give that capability of generating images often. It can support couple of times, but after that you may hit the free threshold limit. For that, multiple different alternatives are available. I will show you one option, that is CoinMLM. So if you just type CoinAI, then you will be able to see this particular option. If you click on it, then similar type of an interface will be visible, and if you click on login, it will give you multiple different options. I'll click on Google and I'll use one of my existing IDs to log in. So using CoinMLM, you will be able to generate realistic images, and that too absolutely for free. Here also thinking model, web search options are available as part of the free plan. This is another open source tool you can use. One best option to generate your image is if you come here in this image option, there you will be able to select an aspect ratio of your image. If you click 16:9, then you will be able to generate an image of 16:9. You will also be able to use any of their existing prompt and you will be able to generate the image. There are few other alternatives if you want to generate image. Meta AI is one of those. You can use that particular application also. If you want to know more about CoinMLM and how to generate stunning images, again I have a detailed video available. That link also I'll add in the description below. You can see this image it generated, which is an high quality one. You will be able to download these images from here, and if you just double click, you'll be able to see the quality of the image which it generated. This is generated by a free tool. Many will not be able to recognize this is an AI generated image. So this really creates some of the realistic images. I would request you to check the other video which I recorded covering this specific topic. How can you generate realistic AI images using CoinMLM? So this is our option number 3. If you want to generate images instead of using ChatGPT, you will be able to use CoinMLM. Now the next alternative is one interesting one. If you go to twitter.com or x.com and then in the left pane you will be able to see one option, that is Grog. If I click on it, you will be able to see this type of interface. If I click on this button, I will be getting a clearer view. And one huge benefit of Grog is currently Grog 3 is available, which supports deep search and think both. So now deep search is one thing. In case you are searching for any specific details, is it will check multiple different web sources, plus it can check all those Twitter threads related to that particular topic, and it will give you a comprehensive details after checking all those sources. Again, another detailed video is already available on this channel. You can check the link below. There I covered Grog in a comprehensive way. If your work demands that you need to do certain fact checks and you need to validate those sources using Grog, you will be able to do that particular work. So this is our option number 4. And let me show you the fifth and the final option, that is Claude. Now Claude is one tool which can help you to write human-like text. If you use ChatGPT to generate certain text, blog, articles, emails, then you can use Claude as the alternative, because Claude is only one tool which is best in this particular area and which really generates human sounding English. If you use ChatGPT for some text generation, it always generates robotic English which can be easily detected as AI generated. Using Claude, you will not be facing that particular problem. So this is your fifth alternative if you don't want to use ChatGPT and don't want to pay $20 per month to OpenAI. If you also want to know a few more alternatives, then I have a playlist available here where I published multiple different videos earlier in this channel covering all available alternatives of ChatGPT.